Hello, dear friends. In this video, we will talk about an important and interesting topic, which is the separation of the internet from the world. The internet has become an essential part of our daily life. Many people rely on it for work, communication, and entertainment. However, service interruptions may occur occasionally, causing many impacts and challenges. In this video, we will discuss the causes of internet outages and their negative effects on individuals and communities. We will look at some of the problems that can occur as a result of an internet outage, such as difficulty accessing information, its impact on business and education, and its psychological and social impact on individuals. We will also review some possible solutions for dealing with internet outages and minimizing their negative impact. We will talk about the importance of the availability of alternative internet services and the development of infrastructure to ensure continuity of communication. And we will also talk about the best practices that can be followed to prepare and deal with internet outages. With the increasing speed of technological progress, dependence on the internet is becoming more important than ever. However, the presence of a service outage can be catastrophic and lead to large-scale consequences. Have you ever imagined that the internet would stop working? Sounds like a scenario from a science fiction movie, but this scenario has become much more realistic than we think. The internet has become an essential part of our daily life. We rely on it for everything, from work and communication to entertainment, education, and healthcare. However, service interruptions may occur occasionally, causing many impacts and challenges. These are some of the causes of internet outages. One of the main reasons for internet outages is technical malfunctions. Such malfunctions can be caused by hardware, software, or network problems. For example, in 2019, a technical malfunction of the fiber optic system disrupted internet service throughout the United States for 12 hours. Another reason for the interruption of the internet is vandalism. Hackers or terrorists can carry out attacks aimed at disrupting the internet. For example, in 2021, a group of hackers launched a web attack in Ukraine, which caused the disruption of internet services throughout the country. Another reason for internet outages is natural disasters. Storms, floods, earthquakes, and other natural disasters can cause internet outages. For example, in 2022, Hurricane Ida caused a disruption of internet service throughout the United States for a week. Influences. An internet outage can have negative effects on many aspects, including business. An internet outage can disrupt a business and its operations, causing financial losses and reduced productivity. For example, in 2017, an internet outage in the United States caused companies to lose an estimated $7.9 billion. Education. Internet outages can disrupt classes and exams, affecting academic achievement levels. For example, in 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted online education around the world, resulting in lower levels of student academic achievement. Social communication. An internet outage can sever communication between people, which can lead to social isolation and loneliness. For example, in 2021, an internet outage in India caused millions of people to be cut off from their loved ones. Healthcare. An internet outage can disrupt healthcare, potentially putting people's lives at risk. For example, in 2022, an internet outage in California disrupted patient access to healthcare, resulting in the death of some patients. In the field of e-commerce, an internet outage disrupts online purchases and sales. E-merchants and large companies that rely heavily on digital systems in the marketing and distribution of their products are affected. It becomes necessary for them to look for alternative solutions for conducting business and meeting customer needs. Socially speaking, many rely on social media to interact and communicate with others. These digital relationships are greatly affected in the event of an internet outage, as it is difficult to communicate and share news, photos, and videos. People should look for alternatives to communication such as fixed telephones or in-person meetings. In the practical and educational field, many individuals and organizations rely on the internet to conduct video meetings and remote training. In the event of an internet outage, these processes can be disrupted and productivity and learning are affected. It is difficult to organize meetings, conduct joint projects, exchange educational resources online, which affects the development of society and the economy. From a health point of view, many medical facilities rely on the digital system to manage medical files and exchange sensitive information. If the internet becomes offline, it can make it impossible for doctors to access patient records and important vital information, affecting their ability to provide the necessary healthcare and make quick decisions. Internet outages also put people's lives at risk in emergency situations. In general, it can be noted that internet outages affect many aspects of everyday life and business. To mitigate the effects of internet outages, some measures can be taken such as 1. Keep backups. Organizations and individuals should keep backups of important data and necessary files on external storage devices. This helps in fast data recovery after restoring the internet connection. 2. Search for alternative communication options. Other means of communication such as fixed telephones, text messages, or email can be used to communicate in the event of an internet outage. Such means may not be ideal in terms of speed and effectiveness, but they provide an alternative means of communication. 3. Use alternative internet services. There may be alternative internet services available in your area, such as second generation, 2G, third generation, 3G, or mobile networks. You can use these services to connect to the internet in case of a significant internet outage. 4. Use public wireless access points. In some areas, there may be public wireless access points such as internet cafes, libraries, or shopping malls. You can use these general points to connect to the internet and complete the necessary tasks. 5. Rely on local cloud storage. You may have local cloud storage services on your devices such as computers or smartphones. You can upload important files and documents to the local cloud storage before the internet goes out, so you can access and edit them offline. 6. Using offline tools and applications. There are some tools and applications that can be used without the need for an internet connection. For example, you can use a text editor or spreadsheets installed locally on your device to work on documents without an internet connection. 7. Advanced planning and preparation. You can plan in advance for possible internet outages and take the necessary measures. For example, you can upload articles or videos to watch later, or create a list of tasks that can be done offline. 8. Router update. The reason for the internet outage may be a problem with the router. Try updating the drivers or resetting the device to try to restore the connection. 9. Prepare for a possible outage. Organizations and individuals should make contingency plans to cope with an internet outage. Appropriate procedures and policies can be identified to deal with these situations, and reserve resources can be allocated to maintain business continuity. 10. Strengthening the internet infrastructure. Governments and telecommunications companies should work to strengthen the internet infrastructure and provide stable and reliable communication services. More robust communication networks can be developed and emergency response improved. In the end, we must realize that internet outages may occur and may be beyond our control. However, we can take action to deal with these situations and prepare for them better. Thus, we have finished exploring the topic of internet outages and their consequences. We must remember that the internet is a powerful tool that enhances our life, contributes to our progress and communication with the world. However, we must be prepared to face the challenges that may arise as a result of internet outages, working together as a community to develop solutions and promote the sustainability and availability of communications. Thank you for watching. We are looking forward to your comments and opinions in the comments section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. See you in the next videos.